we've never tried this before, so let's see what it does. And it's using AI. So look at this one.
Wow.
When you realize it's only Monday and you have a long week ahead of you. That's an awesome meme right there.
Yeah.
Right? Hey everybody, welcome back. And today we're talking about a very interesting tool called Supermeme. And what it does is it makes memes by using AI. And all you do is type in a sentence and then it creates a funny meme for you. And so we're going to talk about how you can make money with this in this video.
Yeah. In this video.
All right. All right. So let me share my screen. Here it
Well,
is.
Dave, real quick, before you do this, I just want to break down the fact that people may not realize just how much potential there is to profit from memes. We've all probably seen memes. I mean, there's all kinds of famous ones, but basically, meme is a funny picture, and people put words at the bottom of it. But you think of sites like Pinterest, you think of sites like Facebook, Imager, among others, where people post funny memes all the time. Well, you can use a tool like this to make that meme, and then maybe you have a website on the picture. Maybe you, in the first comment, you say, see more funny memes at mymeme.com, and you could be monetizing that with AdSense. You could be maybe selling some kind of product. Maybe your memes are all around the topic of dogs, and it's like the dog meme site. We've talked about this before, Dave, in terms of niches. And then guess what? When they go to the dog meme site, because they're there to be entertained by memes, you can buy your dog food here. You can buy all this other stuff, but that you're generating the traffic to the funny memes. That would be a typical kind of funnel or process to get people to buy from you.
Yeah, and there's entire Facebook groups that are just memes. I know I get a lot of funny memes from my friends, things like that. Instagram, all that kind of thing. So yeah, we're gonna break down how to actually monetize these as well in detail. But let's go through this really quick. And by the way, we are completely brand new to this, so we're actually trying this in real time here. This one is text to meme, generate AI memes by simply typing a sentence and let AI automatically choose the template and write a caption. Then there's other ones like themed, which is generate AI memes for popular themes like startup, product management, and crypto by choosing a template and uploading your own image. You could search for a meme template, or you could just create your own meme on your own. So let's try the AI version, text to meme. All right, let's try I hate Mondays. See what it does. Hit generate. This, like I said, we're trying this on the fly. We've never tried this before, so let's see what it does. And it's using AI. So look at this one. When you realize it's only Monday and you have a long week ahead of you. That's an awesome meme right there.
Yeah.
Right? When you realize that the weekend is over and it's back to work on a Monday. That one's okay. When you realize it's only Monday and there are still 4 more days until the weekend. That's a good one. I like this one. When you realize it's Monday and there is a whole week of work ahead. That's a perfect use of that one. The face you make when someone suggests working on a Monday. You realize it's Monday again, your week is about to begin. You have to deal with all the work, drama, and stress when you realize Monday is just the beginning of a long week. So out of this, I see about 4 good ones. Like this, just my opinion. I like The Office, of course. That's 1. I like this one. That's 2, 3, 4. So there's 4. Like with 1 sentence, guys, we typed in a short, like 3 words, and we have 4 amazing memes. Now what you do is, how do we monetize this, James? Because you seem to know a lot more about this than I do.
Well, it's like first of all, I really like the fact that you just put I hate Mondays, but you could see other memes that are out there that are coming on your feed and just, oh, that was an interesting topic, or something that's going on in the news. Like the Super Bowl is happening. Okay, give me Super Bowl memes so that you're ready. And you can think about the time of year, it's Christmas time, let's do this. It's Valentine's Day, let's do some memes. There's always 1,000 different ideas that you can come up with. But the point is that you just basically put in a topic, it gives you the image, and then you can think about it different ways. Well, if you look at it right now, this image that's created here at the bottom right, how it says Supermeme, it's putting its branding here. Well, you could probably edit that out with a very easy tool, or maybe you could pay extra. This site is free, but maybe you could pay extra to get rid of that branding. The point is, that is one way, is that you could put a website in the bottom right-hand corner, and maybe show other people memes. Like I said before with the dog, you could be specific to a certain topic, or you could just have a website that you're coming up with memes, and they might get shared, and build up a big following that way, and then sell whatever you want. The thing is, if you can get eyeballs to this, an eyeball is an eyeball, and then sell them whatever it is you want, an affiliate product, who knows? But you can get traffic, because we know it's proven that people, they share memes all day long. If anyone's been on Facebook, anyone's been on social media, you've seen this.
Right.
So you know this works. So instead of you trying to think of the next best meme, well, just see some of the memes that are out there. You do a search on Google, you find all kinds of popular memes. Just take the same kind of topic and then rewrite it. Or you could go into something like ChatGPT and say, I have this topic, Mondays, give me 20 different meme titles. ChatGPT gives you 20 different meme titles, and then you take those titles in here, and each one of those 15, this is making a bunch of other ones. So sometimes you're using AI on top of AI in this case.
Right. Yeah, I love this. Now think about this also, as you were talking, James, like this is the magic of this channel. We get to riff back and forth and come up with these ideas. So think about this. What if you just have a YouTube channel, a brand new YouTube channel that's just memes, and you monetize it with YouTube monetization? Like, you don't even have to do anything.
Right.
You don't have to have a product. You literally just monetize it off ads, because memes can go very viral very quickly. And I just noticed this. We just looked at images, and by the way, looks like you can edit these words if you want to, but look at this, GIFs. So let's try generating GIFs based on I Hate Mondays.
And while that's coming up, Dave, the one thing you can take it even further than that. If you look at things like there's a huge thing. I do this myself. If I'm working, I'll go to YouTube. Now I have all the different streaming apps. I have Spotify, I have Pandora, I have Amazon Music. But I'll go to YouTube often and just listen to, like, I want to listen to music to work with, for example.
Right.
Well, 99% of those channels, they get millions of views for the music that's being played, and it's a static image a lot of times. Well, you could use something like this to just say, okay, have this meme play for 20 seconds. It's just a static image or GIFs. Then this other meme around the same topic. So you could just have people like making fun of working, and you're listening to work music, but you're having little laughs that if you look at the YouTube, you're seeing the little memes pop up.
Right.
You can get millions of views that way.
Right. Yeah, that's awesome. And another idea is you just string together a bunch of these GIFs in a video, and in the description box, you actually have the GIFs available, like the actual GIFs, the link to them or whatever. You could sell the GIFs or whatever. But here's another idea. Let's just type in motivation, because I know that motivational YouTube channels do really, really well. They get lots and lots of views, and they make good money. So now you can create motivational memes, and you could create a whole channel just showing these memes. You could create a whole Facebook group just showing these memes for motivation, right?
And you don't even have to sell anything. So you see, the thing is like this. When you have something like music or motivation, people just eat that up. They're not necessarily coming to your YouTube channel to buy something, but guess what? You start putting, it doesn't take much. Dave, I listen to, we've talked about this before. I listen to a fan sometimes when I'm traveling on my YouTube, from YouTube. It's 8 hours of fan, and that's had like 100 million views, right? So it's just one picture of a fan. All you have to do is say, hey, if you fall asleep to my fan every night, hey, support me with a Patreon, pay me $2 a month. People will say, I love this fan. I couldn't, you see all these comments like, they call it the fanily, not family, the fanily, right? And all these people listen to, I'm being serious. They listen to this fan every night, right?
Wait, hold on. Like, I need to absorb this. You're saying an actual fan, like that blows air.
Yeah. So a lot of people like myself, I like to hear something in the background.
Yeah.
So I have like not a fan, but a air purifier that makes noise. But if I'm traveling, I don't take an air purifier with me. So I turn on my phone and I play an app of a fan, so that if I'm in a hotel, I hear that noise.
Interesting.
And maybe you're thinking I'm weird, but there's a lot of people that, but there's a lot of people to the tune. And remember, if you have that, there's this one fan that I like. Okay. So when I'm at the hotel, I
You're a
listen to
fan
that.
of that fan.
Yeah, I'm a fan of that fan. So I listen to that same stupid picture of a fan, but I'm not the only one. So people make comments like they say, "Good night, fan." They call it fanily, not M as in Mary, N as in Nancy, fanily, like making jokes. But all that person has to do is put a thing and say, "Hey, if you like my fan, join my Patreon, $2 a month." And people say, "Yeah, I couldn't live without this fan thing." So so
Wow.
all of a sudden you got 1,000 people paying you $2 a month for this. So that's the kind of way you can think. It's not like that you have
Yep.
to come up with some amazing thing. You're giving people a lot of value. They're helping someone sleep. Using a site like this, you can generate that content with free music that you can find out there, free sounds that you can find out there. And then, hey, just join my Patreon, support me. And there's
Yeah.
people out there, believe it or not, that will just support people because they like what they're doing. And it can turn into a lot of money.
Yeah. And then, so now you're using the power of memes, which tend to go viral or at least semi-viral. Like we don't even have to go like massive worldwide viral, right? Memes in general just are naturally shared constantly. I share memes with my wife constantly, like funny memes. And it's just, there's so much power in just that ability to share. One person shares to two people share to 5 people, and so on. That's how virality happens. And so now you have the ability to create these things and create, like we just saw, with 3 words, we created 4 killer memes that could be used. So there's all kinds of ways to monetize this.
It's just really exciting. And it's just, if you want to take the time and put so, and that's the thing, you might listen to certain sounds, you might like certain memes, but you're like, man, I wish there was more memes of this. You're really into cats. Well, you could be the person that makes the cat memes. And there's people that are super into that. And then all those cat people are like, I got to go to catmeme.com because they got fresh content every week. There's new memes. And it's what you don't have to think about everybody. You can think about a specific niche. Cats, certain type of cat, certain type of dogs, motivation. You could do stuff just for what's the place that everybody works out? It's the CrossFit memes.
Right.
Who knows? Just pick something and start making videos, start making images, and make a website that's all around that niche, and you can make a ton of money.
Yeah. Let me tell you the killer, as we close this out, let me tell you the killer app for this idea, and that is building an email list. So let's say you love cats, you love cat memes, you want a lot more cat memes in the world. Great. If in every one of those memes at the very bottom in the center, you just put get tons of cat memes, get more cat memes.
Daily cat meme, daily cat meme.
There you go. Daily cat
every
memes.
day they get a new meme sent to them.
Dailycatmemes.com. And when they go there, all it is sign up to get cat memes every day. And now you've got their email, and that is the power play. Like that is where you've got all the juice, because you've got that email, you're sending it out every day with new cat memes. You can offer pet products, you can offer cat products, you can offer pet insurance. There's all kinds of pet things, right? And so, and you don't have to sell just one product. You could be an affiliate and offer different pet products all the time. So in my opinion, probably the best way to do this, and I'm just such a huge fan of email marketing, is use this to generate lots and lots of traffic to an email list. When you have an email list, that's a really valuable asset that you can monetize so many ways. I'll tell you what, like email lists have changed my life and saved my life financially many times. So that, in my opinion, is your best use of these memes. But again, combine it with what we talked about, either a channel, a Facebook group, that way you don't even have to have a website per se.
And another thing too, that's why you want to watch multiple parts of our videos, because we've gone down different rabbit holes in terms of customization with AI. So another way that you could do it is you could take them to a page and it's like, get your favorite cat meme that we make on a t-shirt, get your favorite cat meme on mug, get your picture of your cat on a hat, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So that's a whole other business model that we've broken down in other videos. So check out our other videos for other great content that builds upon what we're just talked about today.
And once again, James, we're proving that you've got to watch these to the end, because it seems like at the end of the videos is when we kind of crystallize the best ways to make money with AI. Thanks everybody for joining us. Be sure to get your goodies on the way out, and we'll see you next time on Making Money with AI.